Today, I'm walking you through my first embroidered sweatshirt. Yes, I hopped on the mama sweatshirt trend, but I don't have a hoop bigger than 4 by 4 inches, so I had to get creative in this process to making the sweatshirt. The first thing I wanted to place was this embroidered saying that came from the back of the footed onesie. It says, "Thank heavens for boys," and with this blanket stitch, it turned out perfect. Next, using the cut file from Embrilliance, I cut out the fusible interfacing. I did it this way for 2 reasons. First, I can't get an accurate clear cut yet with my silhouette if the fabric is already fused to the interfacing. Secondly, I wanted to put the fabric in a certain orientation so you can see the "I love you" text from the baby onesie, and I think it worked really well. Thirdly, I embroidery appliquéd each letter. I also took this approach because it's easier to work with the interfacing and a single letter than try to embroider onto the bulky sweatshirt on such a small hoop. I also made the letters this way so I can get the placement on the sweatshirt exactly right and tack it on with my sewing machine at the end. I also wouldn't have to add the tinder touch inside the sweatshirt, so that was an eliminated step and a little bit of a cheaper option. All in all, it was more work using a single needle, small machine, but I did it. And the first time you do something is always going to be a challenge. I learned a bunch and I cannot wait to make my next one. I hope you enjoyed day 22 of Vlogmas 2023, and I hope you're inspired to create something. Also, if you see these sweatshirts posted online, give it a like. The time and effort put into making these is lengthy. It's for loving mamas just doing their best. P.S. Did you see the scrambled word in this video? If you know what it is, comment the answer below. Thanks for watching.